سلام وشت که یکی دیگه چه منو که ویدیو هم پارت 15 گادافار بهتر چی که ये वीडियो शुरू करें अगर मैं वीडियो ताज़े कहते कि मैं चैनल यूट्यूब सब्सक्राइब करें वीडियो लाइक करें कमेंट पहले मैं वो सब हमारे एक पेज हम दाखिल इंस्टा से यहाँ पेज हम दुम्बाल करें वीडियो जदीद किया करें वो दरअसल ने सही पे वो बात ते यूट्यूब वीडियो कामिल बगन दे मैं वीडियो होती دوست رفیقم کسایی که واقعا خوشه که چه گیم و گیم پلیشان معرفی کنیم برین که ادامه پارت قبل بگندیم خب پارت قبل تعداد که هیچ بلایی نجمتی پودریکو بریم دیگه چه خبره سلام update نه درو update ها چیه این کام में اوکی این update पे درو update नहीं بریم بی وجدان
I'm a god. You like to see the look on his face.
No, I may have kept your secret too long, but now you will keep our secret.
She. Oh, the Maya की रात नहीं गया था उसने नहीं माने तो हुआ रात नहीं गया था नबाद कैसी है
Why should we hide who we are? Secrets are Odin's way. Shouldn't we be open? Like Tyr?
Tyr kept secrets too, for good reasons. To protect people. It is wiser to be discreet.
That doesn't mean you should lie to your friends. Or your family.
I'm sure Sindri would So what? Excited to finally see the land of the giants?
Yeah, but also sad the journey's almost over. Oh, what if we get to Jotunheim and there aren't any giants there either?
Makes little difference to us. Fulfilling your mother's wish is what is important.
Ah! Well, don't go anywhere. Be with you in 2 shakes.
Father, can I tell him?
No.
Tell me what? Did you put this wheel in your mouth? Oh God. I'll vomit. I'm not kidding. I'll throw up on it.
It is nothing. A family matter.
Oh. Oh. I can tell you a thing or two about family matters.
Let me guess. Your brother isn't as talented as you, and his work is junk.
Those things are accurate. Your point?
It's all you ever talk about, over and over. Do something about it or shut up already.
I see.
We're sick of hearing about little people's little problems.
All right. That hurt a little. Let's have a look at your gear then.
चीजें update यार और भी बचा हुआ Yeah.
Can't guarantee you'll like my work today.
Hop. Chest, crafts. Nope, thank you.
It's almost like having a thick skin.
जल्दी करे दिया बेहतर ना डैमेज करके काउंटर हुआ है
It's almost like having a thick skin. Wow.
Trace.
Deigns to let me help him. Swell. Here you go, little people's little armor.
back to you.
خب هم كدرو अच्छी है कदम जनेगा पस जमीने तो का कदम तो और पैदा आई अच्छी है मज़े गाने जो
Good thing I have rare and much sought after abilities.
no thank you armor Shavas kan here kan okay şu balayı da tar रही हैं वो lock कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है वो velocity defense gösterka خب Yup. Wow, hiç kocat. Ya. Kocaman. Kocaman be. Tamam.
They thought that was gonna stop us. Okay.
Afak
Which way
şu
up?
mağaradaştık kanım. Kucağına bir şey. Yemin Hey burada.
Why did you speak to the dwarf like that?
Aren't you sick of hearing about him and his brother?
Tu parçaya
Of course.
kutule uçuğa
But it serves
bakta doğru.
nothing to make an enemy of him.
You should know the truth, even if it hurts.
It was needless and unkind.
Truth is more important than
Böyle
kindness.
gata
Your mother would disagree.
She wasn't a god.
Keep
on getting in our way. See what you get.
Okay.
Why don't you let me carry her up?
Kucak
No,
Why not? almost there. You know I can handle it.
Can you? After the way you spoke of her, I question that.
What? That she wasn't a god?
She was better than a god, and you shall not dishonor her.
Fine. Carry her yourself.
Okay. खलाक तौर पिता के चम खलाक नहीं कि बद जनते मोर का ना हो पर बोलता क्यों इनसे कहने की देगी गैर में गिरते गए तो आगे तब
Amir, he knew all along that we were gods. I come up with the story about Odin trying to follow us to Jotunheim before we get there or whatever. Isn't it a lot simpler if they want us dead because we're gods?
पता है मैं मसीह है पर छोटा भी इतने पता
I
रहो
suppose we can't rule it out,
but
but Odin's ways are subtle and his purposes are...
Enough about Odin and his whole stupid family. I didn't think anything could get through all that hell. Whatever.
You should. ये खूब मत रख के
I
तो
suppose that's Odin's doing too. Nice try. You and Mother always said all gods were evil. But we're not.
You should.
Peter wasn't. Freya neither. The Aesir gods, that's who's evil. And you know what?
मेरे मोड़ दा
Odin's right. We are a threat. Because we know what they are and we know we can beat them.
Well, not all of them. Not yet.
Magni did his worst, and he's dead. They're no better than us, and they're gonna be sorry they picked this fight.
अरे मुश्किल हरकत अरबों को ठीक है
Thor, blame me
हाँ यमा आदि मंजा
for what you did to Magni. My own father called me a coward.
Looks like he did more than that. Move it, or we'll pick up where he left off.
I'll kill you. No.
Oh, which is anything good to like it again.
He's beaten. Not worth killing.
He should pay for what he said about Mother.
I said no.
But we're gods. We can do whatever we
That's what I said to your mother, right before I gave it to her.
What are you doing?
This is a much better knife than Mother's.
तेरी ये चाकू कहीं बेहतर है जा चाकू है तो माता कितना
You killed against my wishes. You lost control.
Haven't you been teaching me to kill?
I've been teaching you to survive.
तान मैंने याद है कि तो बुकुश मंत्र याद है कि तो जिंदे पे मार
Target. From now until the end of days, you are marked. So I teach you to kill, yes.
من ترى याद आते कि चतो बकोश पहले तेरे याद आते चतो दफा बका
Nobody cared about him anyways. What's the difference?
There are consequences to killing a
मैं
god.
पीने दा शी ची
Why?
ची देखोश थी
How do you know?
fark ची है
How do you know?
Watch your tone,
سرجان
boy.
واسط بتبونه شي باش يعني معاذرتي أبار كناك بده और खुदा की बली ये ذريخي البال تارته تكشيك وين يعني چوكو بته
Look out behind you!
वैसे यार कहते थे ये रात बार की इसमें गिरे किसे कोई आश्वाद है कोटे था मोड़ता
Keep your wits about you, boy. If Modi found us, Baldur cannot be far.
Good. I have a few words for him too.
No, you do not. You will leave him to me.
So you can kill him. 'Cause that's
बालदर
what we
के
do to our enemies, right? Because he'd do the same to us.
I will do only what is necessary.
And I'll help.
No. Not yet.
كوجينا لعب بنتي ايه كوشتي شلون فارتيكو اسلام شمشیر يعني صرت واشتري
Oh yeah, this room. But we need a new way out.
اي ما اوتا ماشي اوه شي بدنا سوبريو
Have you forgotten your training?
Are you talking to me? Thought you didn't like my tone.
ये आखिरी से हरकत ये देगा
Whatever.
hop hop کجا برینی نی کجا برین چو چو چیا خورده Hop, hop, hop.
I can't learn if you won't teach me.
You do not heed my lessons.
I've done everything you
मैंने
asked.
तो नहीं याद भी करें वास्तव तो मैंने याद मत दे तो गोश न करें
Where did you get your fire blades?
تو کجا گرفتی این فایر بلید بچه چی من مخفی کتا که همیشه شمشیرانی گفتی
You said there are consequences to killing a god. You used the blades to kill one.
تو گوشی یه سری چی که گوشته که خدای بگوشه یه سری تلفات یه عواقب
How
یا
many?
تو چون ننگوی شمشیران کشته بشی
Do you hear me?
I heard you. And these are not subjects for discussion. Do not push me, boy.
شکه همش کنه تو نتون به مکشر بیاره
Come here. Guess what? I know everything I need to know now. I have nothing else to learn.
Ah, congratulations.
چه باحال فیزیک ده یعنی سرعت ای روی چی ما سرعت گمان کنه تو ثانیه آهسته سر رد بگیم خیلی بخانه ما مان کنه باحاله خب کجا اوه
This'll be easy.
واقعا هم او بوی رسی یاپی
You don't look too good.
During cooking in a choke.
Watch your back. Behind you.
I'm scared at it. Oh, she اولا برو ده دور ده بریم برده چه خبره
What does this say?
It says, don't wake him. Whatever. We killed everything else in...
बच्चा Oh. دمين ورقه اوه بابا آرام بگیر برين جالا ما شوتي مسيرة أصلية ما نعرف ايه اي شي كنت كاف كمان انا شي روتي के बाद पची कमरे दे इतदार ने खबरें मेरे مسيرة أصلية भाई लिखता عايزينها اللي يشتغل برضه لا ولا مش مدينة كده इसी रोशन नहीं क्या नहीं है रोशन भी तो रो बोल दो ये जगह है راي هسني وصلوا بالوانا دانا مثلا شو غفلة ويلي كامبرين شي ما تركينا دانا
Boy.
Whatever.
Each here. Tomorrow it's here.
Come on! Attack!
Hold!
Oh. She's not big, no. हाँ नहीं मकान तो कुछ आए तो बच्चा big फोन ಕೊಟ್ಟುತ್ತಾ मैं ನನ್ನ ragazzi ne vedo caricano ehi a me ragazzi suri che oh mani दुश्मन रो अजीब गरीब बेगा से नंग रखा नऊ मनी होती बेहतर
Hey, Sindri, could you take a look at this?
Honestly, I don't have much else going on right now. It's almost like having thick skin. Your arm is strong. Good advice. It's almost like having a thick skin.
Hop. Irai, अच्छी वसता पदिये नहीं मचिए जीवरी तर रगे नहीं आता ओ योनिया पीछे कॉफी क्या बने जा
Never learn.
هذا بيجان يتشارجي تلك هذا شيء ناتي راب السيشن بربرزا कौन बात देंगे दत्तमन दरगिरी है बोर्डा पता
Come on, you two. The silence is getting unnerving.
Don't worry about it.
छूने साके थे
Focusing.
मैंने कहा मवे मादराल तमार को थे हवा मोतमार के था आमा क्वेश्चन है तो मैं जागा है कि आप सोचते हैं अगर आवधी ना चूंटे तो करूँ अन्य को संची ना रहा तो मैं पता नहीं अदर चीज़ आज पैसे ne nope nu ute şoktra İmtihan nu ute şoktra
Nearly there now.
Finally.
Hoppar burada open the bridge
Boy,
of
the room.
Quantum हाँ बच्चे आई बारी कुरार कटेल
Carve along that.
हाँ दर्द कहाँ बिगड़ तेरा तो यार Romy Onlar ne güzel. Cold patch bag.
Wow. Yonan. We made it.
No. Cold patch bag.
Beautiful, isn't it? I remember once.
Hoş
Brother, look out!
geldin. O dans risiat quoi?
Run, boy! Cross the bridge!
No! I'm a god too! I can do this! Get off him!
हाँ दब तो की जाएगी.
Walter, let him go. Take me instead. I'll do whatever you
हाँ इस सारी आंजा. रोज की जाता.
Turns out the boy's the brains.
Holy cross.
No! You broke the gate! That was our only way to Yonan!
Stupid son of a bitch.
Get out of here, boy.
Yes, by all means, Junior, run away. Let Daddy do all the heavy lifting for you.
Ah! Let me go!
Calm down,
Larga
boy.
na भी.
You are not ready for this.
I am ready!
Ah karam kuch दी जाओ.
And here I thought my family was fucked up.
Ah dance risiat. क्या हुए जाती है ले?
Your father is right, boy. You are far from ready. Now would you be so kind as to hold this for
Oh
me?
no mate.
Thank you.
Morti.
Atreus!
Need to know more के. Yo.
Don't you know when to give up?
किसी चीज़ वैसे तस्वीर बैग नज़ान है ना. HDR कहाँ?
Stay away from my son!
मेरा गनोक. Defense. Ah, cuore.
You won't stop me!
I will break you.
Yeah.
What?
What? Oof. Shoot Tico. War है दुख खुदा उसकी. War पदा war. War. Dude, jala akara. Oh, Dan is there. Is that border हुआ? Yeah, it's ball isn't there. İyi mi de? Süper caótico. شبال
Who's activated the bridge? Hey, I asked you a question.
Ya deram paçkana kaça. Emi dev itne zasti paçkutu.
Locked in. And when the bridge opens, the full weight of Ascot will come crashing down on you. It's over.
Is it?
Shiva dukanını.
So be it. No! Listen to me!
Let me out!
Let go of it now, or I will kill him. You know I will. What did you do?
Şikuti. Ben çok boğum. Oo, çok haberim. John Jenner, और होगा हम ठीक कर रहा हो. Wow.
Boy,
I'm here!
stay still. You will listen to me and not speak a word. I am your father, and you, boy, are not yourself. You are too quick to temper. You are rash, insubordinate, and out of control. This will not stand. You will honor your mother and abandon this path you have chosen. It is not too late. This discussion is far from over. We are here because of you, boy. Never forget that.
अच्छा Return ama pada ama helen chavala amu pada atki هلیوم رای در یه چیز خارجه خب فکر کنم یه پارت هم همین کافی है वीडियो बस طولانی مبی طبق معمول अगर मैं खाना लाऊं मैं वीडियो ताते कहते कि मैं खाना सब्सक्राइब करें वीडियो लाइक करें कमेंट पहले मैं वासा हमारे पेज थे इंस्टा में पेजान दुंबाल करें वीडियो जरिए क्लियर करें वो तो स्टोन सही है वो कामिल ईद है यूट्यूब तो का बेचारे खब तपारते बाद फैलन